Okay, so hello guys, nahi, I have not forgotten that we have to come live. So very good evening guys, very good evening everybody. So my name is Pritesh and welcome to the fantastic, fabulous and fantabulous session by Vedantu 9 English. My name is Pritesh, I'm your host, your host. I'm a proud master teacher from Vedantu. I might be looking a little different because the color settings and all are a little different out here. But don't worry, very soon they all will be absolutely great. So very warm welcome guys, and we are learning this amazing chapter and उसी के ऊपर आज हमारा quiz होने वाला है. So I want all of you to just quickly join the quiz by going to www.vquiz.in and putting the code. What is the code? It is 22582. So just go to vquiz.in and put the code 22582. You can also join this quiz by going on the link in the description. There is a link in the description. You can go on that link and join the quiz. That is 225282. Come on, hello everybody. Very good evening guys. I'm here. Hello Arpan, hello Rekha, Angelina, hello R, Sarvesh Raja, Yashanand, Arpan Kumari, क्या बात है तुम्हारी. Very warm welcome. I'm absolutely great, Arpan. I'm absolutely great. Thank you so much for asking me that. So I want all of you to just join the VQuiz by going to www.vquiz.in and putting the code 22582. Hello lucky scientist, Bhavika. Hello. So guys, just join the quiz, है ना? And let me see how many of you have already joined. So when I see over here, so go to the joining screen. Just a minute. Oh, something else has happened here. Okay. Yes. So only 11 of you have joined yet. Why this is so? I want more and more of you to join the quiz so that we all can play together and have some fun. So guys, just quickly join the V quiz as soon as possible. है ना? Just join the V quiz. This is your first session I am attending. Oh, lucky scientist, that's really nice. Okay, Gaurav, I'll wait for you. Quickly join the V quiz 22582. The team has even put the link in the in the chat. I hope you'll have a great time. Great, Yash Anand, that's really nice. So lucky scientists, I hope you'll have a great time. So there are 13 of you who have joined the quiz. That's amazingly awesome, है ना? And let us just see that how well this all goes. Okay, so this is still not going on. I'll have to do it with the cursor only. Something else is happening. Something else is opening here when I'm touching there. Okay. No worries. Hakuna Matata. Right? Chalo. So I'll just start the question from here. So here is your first question. And it says that, the first question says that it is on the chapter life processes. The first question says that which of the following is a byproduct of photosynthesis? Is it oxygen, starch, glucose or amino acids? Which of the following is a byproduct of photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the life supporting process. I'm just looking for the remote. Okay, I'll just find it in a while. Anyway, so which of these is the life supporting process, guys? I think the screen is too very bright. थोड़ा सा इसको हम ये कर देते हैं. ठीक है? Okay. So the life supporting process is oxygen. Oxygen is the life supporting process. The screen has just suddenly turned too bright. Okay, so I think ये अब और ज़्यादा bright हो गया है. तो इसको हम थोड़ा सा कम कर देते हैं. Yes, I think now it's fine. ठीक है? So the life supporting process is oxygen. Oxygen is the byproduct of photosynthesis, and oxygen and water vapor, both of them are the byproducts. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants, certain bacteria, algae, they take in carbon dioxide from the stomata, water from the roots. The sunlight is trapped by the chlorophyll and the product is food, oxygen and water vapor. Food is in two forms. One is the usable food, that is glucose, and the second is the stored food in the form of starch. Now, apart from that, the byproducts are oxygen and water vapor, which are given out through the stomata. So that is all about photosynthesis and its products. With this, we move on to the next question. Just guys, I'll need your little support today because I'm a little shuffling from here and there to just change the screen. And on the superboard with the superstars, we have got Bhavya, Ritu, Manraj, Aditya, Srishti, Keshav, Priya, Arpana, Ronit, and Navya. So these are the ones on the fastest finger list who are one of the ones who are on the leaderboard, the shining bright stars on the leaderboard. The next question on your screen. The next question on your screen is the plants growing in arid regions would have stomata which will be sunken deep. Can you guess the possible reasons for this? They can absorb more they can absorb water from air, they can collect dewdrops overnight, they avoid loss of water through transpiration or none of these. So the plants that grow in arid regions as in the ones that grow in desert like conditions, they have deep sunken stomata. What is the reason for having the deep sunken stomata? Can you help me Can you help me by telling me the correct answer that why will they have deep sunken stomata? Very, very good. Now these kind of plants have deep sunken stomata because they want to avoid losing water through transpiration by the losing water through transpiration. So that is why some plants in the arid regions like cactus, they have thorns. They have thorns because they do not want to have leaves, because if they have leaves they will have stomata. Stomata will do for transpiration and there will be a loss of water. But those who have leaves like certain succulents, they will have very, very deep sunken stomata. The deeper the stomata is, the difficult it becomes to carry out transpiration, and this helps the plant to retain water. So that is the correct answer. And with this we move on to the next question. So the answer to this is definitely C, and on the superboard we have the superstars. That is your Manraj, Ritu, Priya, Bhavya, Srishti, Arpana, Ronit, Aditya, Navya, and Keshav. But looking at the third question, question number 3, absolutely free on your screen. The digestive juice released by the largest gland. Now here you have to first identify which is the largest gland of the body. Is it the stomach or the small intestine or the large intestine or the liver? Now whatever is the largest gland, what is the juice that it secretes? Does it secrete bile? Does it secrete something to emulsify fats? Does it secrete something to convert food medium to alkaline so that pancreatic enzymes act on it? Or all of the options are correct? So basically they are telling that whatever juice the largest gland secretes, what are its functions? So you have to help me identify that. Come on, quick, very quick. This is super easy guys. Yes, lucky scientists, you are absolutely correct. Yes, Anand, you are also absolutely correct. Now you just have to help me to understand that how will the answer fit for all these. Come on, think. It's quite easy, not that difficult. Okay, very good. All the options are correct because here we are talking about okay, I just take the stylus from here. Yeah. Because here we are talking about, when I tell the largest gland, we are talking about liver. And we know that liver secretes bile. It is secreted by the liver, stored in the gallbladder, right? And the function of the bile is, number 1, to emulsify fats. What do you mean by emulsification of fats? Emulsification of fat means breaking down big fat globules into smaller ones so that lipase can act on it. Also, bile will convert acidic food to alkaline that comes from the stomach, and it will also make the pancreatic juices act on it. So that is the function of the bile. It is secreted by the liver but stored in the gallbladder. Okay? Lucky scientists, explanation of D as answer. Yes. B and C are the functions. Correct. A is the name of the juice and B and C are the functions. Absolutely correct. Right? It turns acidic food alkaline. Acidic food that is coming from the stomach because the stomach secretes hydrochloric acid which is secreted by the oxyntic cells of the stomach. Okay? Sure. Now we move on to the next question. For some reason, this particular website is opening again and again. Yeah. So D is the correct answer. And on the superboard with the superstars, we have got Ritu, Priya, Srishti, Aditya, Navya, Manraj, Bhavya, Arpana, Ronit, and Keshav. Right? Congratulations. That's amazingly awesome. Hello, hello. Hello, Ronit. Your by the name, your username on YouTube is Monica. I've read that. Hi, Ronit. You're doing a great job. Let us move on to the fantastic 4 question on your screen. Salivary amylase converts dash to 1,000 times I told you in the class. What will salivary amylase do? Salivary amylase will convert glucose to starch, cellulose to starch, proteins to amino acid, or starch to simple sugar. Now, salivary amylase is secreted by the salivary glands. We have got 3 pair of salivary glands: submandibular, sublingual, and parotid. There are 3 pairs of salivary glands in our mouth. They secrete the saliva. Saliva has the enzyme called salivary amylase, and this salivary amylase helps to convert dash to dash. It helps to convert starch to simple sugar. Can anyone over here tell me that what is the name of the sugar? Can anyone over here tell me in the chat what is the name of the sugar? Whoever tells me this answer will get a special shout out. Can anybody tell me what is the name of the sugar that salivary amylase converts starch to? Come on, yes, Yash, you are right. Very good, very good, very good. So Yash Anand is absolutely right. The answer is starch to maltose. The answer is starch to maltose. So salivary amylase, it is present in the saliva. Saliva comes from 3 pairs of salivary glands, right? And these 3 pairs are sublingual, submandibular, and parotid, right? Salivary amylase converts starch to maltose. Starch to maltose. ठीक है? चलो. So that is absolutely correct for all of you. 11 of you out of 19 have given me the correct answer. Okay. So let us look at the results now. Yes, Sarvesh Raja, you are absolutely correct. On the superboard with the superstars, we have got Shining Bright, Ritu, Srishti, Priya, Bhavya, Arpana, Keshav, Aditya, Navya, Manraj, and R. Sarvesh. That is really very, very nice. Yes, Ramya Napoleon, you are also correct. Okay? So, let us move on to the famous 5 question out of 10. The question is that the primary site for exchange of gases in the human respiratory system is. Where does the exchange of gases happen? This is the functional unit of the respiratory system, where oxygen is given to the hemoglobin and carbon dioxide is given by the hemoglobin to the air, to the exhaled air. So where does this exchange happens? In the nostrils, bronchi, bronchioles, or alveoli. Again, I have already given you the hint that this is the functional unit of the respiratory system. Come on, very good. It is the alveoli. It is the alveoli. So if you remember, we have already learned this, that when I'm talking about the respiratory system, we have got the trachea, bronchi, and bronchioles, and this bronchiole ends into a cloud-like alveoli. Right? This is my trachea. This is my bronchus. And these are the bronchioles. So, in the alveoli, the oxygen is given to the hemoglobin and carbon dioxide is given by the hemoglobin. Okay? Remember this? Salivary amylase converts starch to maltose. Lucky scientists, maltose. So glucose is the name of the sugar. Maltose is a type of sugar. Maltose is a type of simple sugar. ठीक है. Yes, Arpan. Thank you so much, Arpan, for helping your friend, lucky scientist. ठीक है. चलो. Now we move on and we look at the superboard with the superstars for this particular question. So on the superboard we have got Ritu, Priya, Arpana, Srishti, Keshav, Manraj, Bhavya, Sarvesh, Ronit and Payal Gandhare. ठीक है. चलो. So moving on to the let us fix question number 6 on your screen. The reason for fatigue and cramps after rigorous activity is accumulation of glucose, carbon dioxide, lactic acid or fatty acid. So sometimes after running a lot or after doing some strenuous exercise, people tend to get cramps. What is the reason to get the cramps? Is it accumulation of glucose in the muscle cells, carbon dioxide in the muscle cells, lactic acid in the muscle cells or fatty acids in the muscle cells? What is the reason for getting a muscle cramp? What is the reason behind it? Yes, absolutely correct. The reason is incomplete oxidation of glucose. So when glucose does not get enough oxygen, instead of making carbon dioxide, water vapor and energy, it makes lactic acid and energy. And when this lactic acid gets accumulated in the muscle cells, it causes the cells to arrest, and that is called as a cramp. A very gentle massage, hot water bath will really help the muscle cramps to release. And obviously deep breathing. Absolutely correct. Chali. So let us look at the superboard with the superstars. And we have got Ritu, Priya, Arpana, Keshav, Manraj, Sarvesh, Srishti, Ronit, Yash and Navya. That's very good. Looking at the directly from heaven question number 7. The respiratory pigment found in the human blood. Already I told you this answer. This answer should get only 5 seconds. Hemoglobin, hemocyanin, anthocyanin or all of the above. So what is the respiratory pigment that is present in the blood? In the human blood, this respiratory pigment is present. What is the name of this pigment? Come on, super easy, super nice. Raat ko khao, ghee, dal and rice. Absolutely easy. Yes. Very, very easy one this is. And the answer to this question, without a doubt, is obviously hemoglobin. All of you are correct. That's so wonderful. All of you are correct. Right? So, on the superboard with the superstars, we have got Ritu, Priya, Arpana, Keshav, Manraj, Sarvesh, Ronit, Yash, Navya and Aditya. Okay, lucky scientists, you need a book. So, if you are in CBSE board, then I would suggest that no other book other than your NCRT is something that I would recommend, because your NCRT is the Bible. Just go on reading your NCRT again and again till the time NCRT starts running in your blood. So that how well is you should read your NCRT. ठीक है? चलो. Moving on to let us not get late for question number 8. Here is the question. The process of cellular respiration, where the cells respire, is lungs, mitochondria, Golgi or nostrils. Which is the area where cellular respiration takes place, where cells carry out respiration, where cells break down the glucose to release energy in the form of ATP. I have given you enough hint for this. Enough hint is given for this particular question. Is it lungs, mitochondria, Golgi, apparatus, or is it nostrils? What is the process of cellular respiration? Very good. It is mitochondria, right? Absolutely great. That's really very good. है ना? Sir, Lakmeer Singh is good for biology. Absolutely. And Yash Anand, you will be really surprised to know that I have met Lakmeer Singh sir. I was working with S. Chand publication in Delhi as a science editor, and all the books of Lakmeer Singh and Manjeet Kaur are published by S. Chand. So I have met Lakmeer Singh. He was there in the office one day. I even have a photo with him. So if you want to see my photo with Lakmeer Singh, follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu. I'll just give you my Instagram ID. That is Pritesh_Vedantu. So you can follow me here, and I will post a photo of mine with Lakmeer Singh. Right? So you can just see the photo where I met Lakmeer Singh. He is a great personality. Very humble, very down to earth, and such a beautiful human being. So So you can follow me on Instagram at Pritesh_Vedantu, and I just post a picture with him today itself. Right? Sir went to exercise in the morning or evening so that I'm not tired while studying. Please do it in the morning. If you do it in the evening, already your body is tired by doing so many activities throughout the day. Two things will happen in this case, our Sarvesh. First is that you will not be able to perform the exercise properly, and second is that you will get super tired to even look at your books, and then neither you'll be able to eat properly, neither you'll be able to sleep properly. So please do your exercise in the morning. This will increase your blood circulation. It will even make you alert, and you'll be able to do the exercise well, as you'll be able to study well. Okay? So on the super board with the superstars, we have got Priya, Ritu, Arpana, Manraj, Sarvesh, Ronit, Yash, Keshav, Aditya, and Bhavika. Lucky scientists, for the book, I would suggest that you please go for Good Luck. Good Luck is a very, very beautiful book. Good Luck is, but it is for ICSE. Good Luck is for ICSE. Okay? Chalo. So moving on further ahead. Okay, chalo. So moving on to the next question, and everything is fine because it's question number 9. So here we go. Dash is found in the blood, which are primarily responsible for blood clotting. So what is responsible for blood clotting? Is it WBC, RBC, platelets, or plasma? Super easy. Again, a very, very easy question. Yes, NCRT exemplar is very, very good. NCRT exemplar is also very good. Good Luck is for Good Luck is mostly for ICSE board, because when I used to teach ICSE board, we used to use a lot of Good Luck. Good Luck is very good. Your Selena is very good. For CBSE, I am telling you, lucky scientists, you will get a lot of questions from NCRT exemplar, and then you will also get a lot of questions from your NCRT itself. Oswal Educardias. Oswal is also good. Vedantu's Tattva books. So, lucky scientists, you will get a lot of questions in Vedantu's Tattva as well. So, platelets is also the correct answer. Platelets, which are also called as thrombocytes, they form a plug in case of an injury, and that plug helps to arrest bleeding. है ना? Chalo. And we come to the super board with the superstars: Priya, Ritu, Manraj, Sarvesh, Arpana, Yash, Keshav, Bhavika, Ronit, and Aditya. So let's achieve Zen, because here is question number 10. There you go. The food engulfed by amoeba is digested in the temporary structure called central vacuole, pseudopodia, food vacuole, or food pouch. Now, this is the structure which is temporarily created by amoeba. When amoeba goes and hugs the food, it goes and gives a tight jadoo ka jhappi to the food. It creates a structure which helps to digest the food. What is that structure called? What is that beautiful structure created by amoeba called? Come on, help me here. Okay, and the answer to the question is your food vacuole. The answer to the question is food vacuole. And let us see who has won this quiz today. Oh my god. So we have got Priya Srivastava, Sarvesh, and Ritu. Rather, Priya Srivastava, Ritu, and Sarvesh, who are the winners. Okay, so I'll just keep it back here. Congratulations. Kya baat hai? Amazingly awesome, guys. You've done a great job today. So, Priya, Sarvesh, and Ritu, congratulations. Great job, guys. And इसी तरह से we'll keep on waiting and playing the quizzes, and I just want you guys to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Share it with your friends in school WhatsApp groups, because all of you can play this VQuiz again even till 2 years. You can play this quiz live for the next 2 years. So do share this video and do let me know in the comment section how did you feel about this video. Thank you so much, guys. It was great playing with all of you, and yeah, chalo. So थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो रहा है. So, ठीक है. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.